If you want to know more about the product and our product review as well, we'll be leaving a link on the end screen and on the description as well. Hello mga ka-Zero, I'm Lovely Sumagang of Triple Zero Vlogs. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to fix smartphone's compatibility issue with Boya BY-M1. We recently bought this lavalier microphone to enhance our vlog's audio quality.
Oh my god! Wow!
As soon as we received the package, we tested it out using my partner's phone, which is Oppo F11. When we plugged the microphone, it was detected by his phone. However, when we recorded a video and played it, there was no improvement at all. Aww. It's the same quality with the phone's internal microphone. We were a bit worried that it might be defective, so we isolated the issue and used a different phone. My phone is Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. So when we tested it out, it was working fine. There was no changes in the settings or whatsoever. We just used the built-in camera app and it was purely plug and play. Just a disclaimer, it may not work on all models of Boya microphone and it may not fix issues with other smartphones as well. We're just sharing this based on our experience. So let's get started. Let's show you how. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open Google Play Store and we're gonna look for Open Camera. There you go. So it's Open Camera by Mark Harman. So let's install it. So let's just wait until it's completely installed. Okay, that was quick. Let's open. So you may see pop-up messages. It says allow Open Camera to take pictures and record video. Click allow. Allow Open Camera to access photos, media, and files on your device. Click allow. Allow Open Camera to record audio. Just click allow. So you may use this app directly. However, if it may not work, you may need to make some changes on the settings. So just click on the gear icon on the top left and just scroll down and look for video settings. And scroll down, let's look for audio source. There you go. So you may use default audio source, but if it won't work, you may need to choose external mic if present. So that's what we did, and we tested it out and it's working fine. We hope that this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share. If you have tested it out and it worked for you, please let us know by leaving a comment below. If you want to know more about the product and our product review as well, we will be leaving a link on the end screen and on the description as well. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, and please click the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new videos. Thank you for watching.